So we're going to start to install PostgreSQL now. We are going to download it. So what I've already done is set up an op directory on a separate drive, and we're going to install that in the options directory. So we'll go here, scroll down. I use the graphical installer from Enterprise DB. And we'll grab this version. Okay, so anytime now. I'm going to save it. Also going to open this folder up. Internet's a little slow today. And I'm going to set the execution so I can run this, and then do that, and then do this, and then that. So I'm able to run it now because I said it is executable in super user mode. There we go, default. You can put these in different directories if you want. For what I'm doing, this type of dev is not going to make a difference. Default port, all of that. So this PostgreSQL is really small compared to SQL Server by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gigabytes. SQL Server takes a lot of space, but it also has integration and reporting services. Although this database engine is still a lot smaller, it's a little bit more limited as far as the tools like backups and all that, and indexing, but the price is right. So this thing's just churning away. I am just going to take a look at this. I'd like to see what's going on. Alright, so it's doing that. I don't need any of these tools. And then what you'll see is PostgreSQL program group created, pgadmin. It's a little bit slow. Okay. The password, I store it. I don't need to be secure on this server. I don't care. And then here we go. So, can look at all these settings. And one of the things that we might get into later is checking out a server status. And then there's a configuration file that we'll need to look at for configuring the access. Usually it's available very interesting. See, you can look up the configuration here, but I don't see where I can edit it. This under server configuration. Interesting. Okay, so that is the video. How do you install it? It was pretty straightforward. Next, we're going to get into building a database.